Can you see the screen?
Yes.
Okay. First of all, do you remember the story we talked about on Monday?
Rabbit and turtle.
Yes. And do you remember what happened?
Rabbit and turtle is running,
Hmm.
and first wins is a rabbit, but second wins is a turtle.
Yes. Yes. Do you remember where the turtle and the rabbit they were talking and they decided to run to where? Where did they run to?
Castle.
The castle on top of the mountain, right?
Yes.
And how was the rabbit? The rabbit was running. Was he slow or was he fast?
Fast.
Yes, the rabbit was very fast. But he was running so fast that he was tired. So what did he do?
She is sleeping.
Yes, he just sat on a tree and he fell asleep, right?
Yes.
Yes, he fell asleep, and then the turtle, the turtle was he never the turtle never stopped running. So at the end, the turtle won the race, right?
Yes.
Yes. Did you like that story?
Neither.
Middle. Okay, okay. And you told me you like animals.
Yes.
What's your favorite animal?
Hamster.
Hamster?
Yes.
Do you have a hamster?
Yes.
Oh, and what's the name of the hamster?
But I don't have a dog and cat.
You don't have a dog and cat?
Yes.
But in the hamster, does it have a name?
Pin.
Bill?
Yes. And Puri.
Woody? You have two?
Yes. Two.
Oh, two hamsters. So nice.
You
Okay.
have any animal?
No, I don't have any animal. No. But when I was little, I had a turtle. Yes, my brother had a turtle. And the name was Tutu. Yes. Yes. But I was very little, so I was scared of the turtle. Like when it was walking, I was sitting on the sofa and the turtle came walking to me. I was very scared. I was scared. But I was very, very little. Yeah. So you said you like animals. So I prepared another story about animals. Maybe you've heard of this. It's a tale, like a story that you tell kids before going to bed. Okay. So I really like ducks. Do you know ducks? Like, can you see behind my screen? There's a duck there.
Yes.
Yes. So I really like ducks. So I prepared the story. This story is called The Ugly Duckling. Duckling is a baby duck. Okay, a baby duckling. Okay,
Yes.
you see it on the screen.
Yes.
Okay, so let's see. So there was so let's start in the first picture. Once upon a time, there was a farm where there were a lot of animals living in the farm. there were, like we can see in the screen, there were ducks. There was a chicken too. And there are the parents' duck. They are two big ducks. And then there were also baby ducks. Can you see there's like 3 ducks on the screen, like the 3 babies.
Yes.
And there's the mom duck, and there's the dad duck. Yeah.
Yes.
Behind them, we can see a chicken. The chicken is eating. And behind the chicken, we can see there's the house. And in the house, there's a woman waving at the man. And the man is the farmer who's going to work at the farm. And behind that, we can see it's a cloudy day. We can see the clouds on the sky. Can you see the clouds?
Yes.
Yes. So there was so this story is in a farm. It happens in the farm. So in the second picture, we can see that the 2 ducks, the mom and the dad.
Yes.
Yes, can you see them?
Yes.
Yeah. So in the second picture, we can see the mom and the dad in the farm. In the little farm, there's a pond. Do you know what's a pond? It's
Pussy.
yes, it's kind of a it's kind of a small lake, yeah.
Yes.
Where the ducks are running and they are swimming and they are having fun in the pond. And they find an egg in the can you see there's an egg behind the duck? Can you see there's a round thing on the right of the ducks? And the ducks like suddenly realize there's an egg.
Yes.
So yeah. And behind the egg, we can see that far away, like very far, there are also cows. Can you see them? They are very small because they are very far away. But we can see there's also ducks in the farm. And then there's the house behind the ducks. And in the house, behind the house, also there are trees. And the kind of the trees that are there, they are called palm trees. Palm trees. Okay.
Yes.
So let's go back to the first picture. Yeah.
Yes.
So where is this picture? Where are we? Is it in the beach, or is this a farm?
Farm.
Yes, it's a farm. Yeah. And what is in the farm? There are animals, right?
Yes. Dogs.
There are ducks in the farm. And behind the duck, what is there? There's a chicken.
Yes.
Yes, behind the duck, there's the chicken. And what is the chicken doing? Is the chicken sleeping? Is the chicken running? What is the chicken eating? The chicken is eating. The chicken, yes, the chicken is eating. And behind the chicken, we can see two people. There's a woman. What is the woman doing?
Hello.
It's okay. It's okay. The woman is waving and saying goodbye to the man, the farmer, because the farmer is going to work.
Yes.
So it's the morning. And how is the weather like?
Cloudy.
Yes, it's cloudy. The weather is cloudy. Yeah. Okay, so that's what we can see in the first picture. And when we go to the second picture, we can see that the two ducks, there are the two ducks, and where is there's one duck that is in the water. What is that water called? Is that the sea? Is that a pond? Is that a lake?
Lake. A pond.
A pond, yes. A pond is a small lake. It's a lake, but it's very small. Okay, and that's where the ducks live. And the ducks are swimming in the pond, and they are having fun in the pond. Okay. So the two ducks find something in the grass. Do you know what they find? There's a round thing next to the ducks. There's a round thing. They find, is that an apple or is that an egg? No, it's an egg. Do you know what an egg is?
Egg. Cheese.
Egg is keran. You know keran in Korean?
Yes.
So that's called egg in English.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And that's where the little chickens or little ducks, all the birds, they are born from an egg. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Where is the egg?
This egg is, can you see there's a round thing in the grass?
Yes.
That's the egg.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. One moment. Okay. Okay, and behind the egg, there's also, we can see there's two other animals, but they are very small. There's in the farm, there's also cows. Okay.
Yes.
One moment. One moment. Okay, so sorry. Okay, here. Yeah. So there's the two cows too, and next to the cows we can see the house from the farm. And what's also there next to the house? Is there clouds, or is there trees? Is there what else? Can you see what's next to the house?
Cloudy.
Okay, yeah, the weather is cloudy, but next to the house we can see there's two tall trees.
Yes.
Yes, and that tree is called palm tree. Palm tree.
Tree.
Palm tree.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So we go to the next picture. So before, like the ducks found an egg. Okay. Yeah, the egg, the round egg. And it was a very big egg. So the mom was very surprised.
Yes.
Because the eggs that she had were smaller, but she found the egg and decided to take care of the egg. So after a little bit, she was taking care of the egg for a little bit, and in the picture we can see that the egg breaks, and a little bird comes out of the egg. Can you see the little egg, the little bird?
Little bird.
Yeah, there's there's the in the picture we can see the mom, and beside the mom there's 3 little ducks.
Yeah.
Yes, and they are looking at another bird. The bird came out from the egg.
Big egg.
The egg we can see that the shell broke, and a bird came out from the egg. See this, wait. Can you see this?
Yes.
Okay, so we can see that there was another bird that came out from the egg. The egg was okay. We can see here the egg. Wait. Here. So there was the egg that they found. The egg was here. The egg was breaking. It started cracking, and in the end, we can see that there was this. So this. So this egg broke, and a little duck came out from the egg. Do you want to put a name to the duck?
Egg.
Can you repeat?
Egg in the hatches.
Huh?
Came out.
Yes. Do you want to name? Do you want to put a name to the duck?
Name.
Name. Yes.
Ugly.
Ugly. Okay. Okay. So the name of the duck is Ugly. Okay. So let's go back to the first picture. Okay. Let's remember what the story was about. We can see the first picture.
Yeah.
Where are we? What is the picture?
Farm.
Yes, there's a farm. And what can we see in the farm?
2 dogs.
There's 2 big ducks. Yes, the mom and the dad.
30 dogs.
And there's 3 small ducks. Yes, there's 3 babies, 3
Yeah.
baby ducks. And that you can see in the picture that the ducks are just breaking out from the egg. These ducks also came from egg. So they are very babies, small babies. And then behind the duck, what is there? There's another animal.
Yes.
Do you know what animal?
Dog. Clean.
No, here, no, behind the here, right here, behind the duck. What is that animal?
Dog.
It's a chicken.
A chicken.
Yes, yes.
And dog.
You can see that they have this thing here on the head.
Yes.
That's yeah, and so that's a chicken. Okay, and ducks don't have anything here. Okay.
Yes.
So the chicken, do you know what the chicken is doing?
Eat.
Yeah.
Food. Eat the food.
Yeah, the chicken is eating.
Yes.
The chicken is eating. And behind the chicken, we can see there's a house. And in the house, there's 2 people. There's one person standing in the house and waving. yeah, because the woman is waving at the man. The man is do you know what is the man? What's the job of the man?
From
The man is a farmer. Yeah.
from
Yes.
farmer.
Yes. The man is a farmer because he works at the farm. So the woman is saying goodbye to the farmer.
Yes.
Because he's going to work. And how is the weather?
Cloudy.
The weather is cloudy. Yes. Okay, good. So in the next picture, we go to the second picture. And what can we see?
2 dogs and pond.
Yeah, yes. So there's 2 ducks in the pond.
Yes.
And do you know what a pond is?
Small water.
Okay, the pond is a small lake.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So and what do the ducks do in the pond?
Play.
Yes, they play in the pond, and they swim in the pond. Yeah, because it's there's the water, and that's where they live.
But what is one dog's no swim? But one dog's why not didn't swim?
The ducks, yeah, the ducks swim in the water. So when they want to swim and they want to have fun in the water, they go to the pond. Yeah, because the pond is full of water. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. And what do the ducks find?
Egg.
Yes, they find an egg. Okay, yeah, they find a very big egg in the grass.
Yes.
And behind the egg, in the farm, we can see there's a house. Yes.
Yes.
And what else? Next to the farm, next to the house, what is there? Is there animals? Is there trees? Is there people?
Egg.
Yes, there. Okay, there's the egg. The egg is here, right?
Yes.
That's the egg. And then what is this here?
Tree.
That's a tree, yeah. Do you know what is the name of the tree?
야자수. 야자수.
The name of the tree is palm tree.
Palm tree.
Yes, yes. Okay, can you see the letters?
Yes.
Good. I put them smaller. Okay. So they find the palm. We can see there's a palm tree.
Yes.
And what is can you see it? Can you see these here?
2 cows.
Yes, there's 2 cows in the farm. Yes, okay, well done. So now we go to the next picture. And what happens in the next picture? We can see there's the mom, the duck, and the 3 little ducklings, the 3 little babies that are looking at the new. So there's the other. What happened to the egg? The egg they found on the previous picture. The mom was taking care of the of the egg here. We can see here there was this egg, and when she was taking care of the egg broke. And what came out of the egg?
Uh,
What?
um,
Okay, so in the we can see here in the picture what I just this circle that I just make. It's the egg they found.
Yeah.
Yeah, and we can see the egg is cracking. The egg cracks, and another bird comes out. There's here this bird that comes out from the egg. Okay.
yes.
And what's the name of this bird? We put a name, right?
Ugly.
Ugly. Yes. So ugly comes out from the egg. Okay.
Yes.
So let's go to the next picture. Oh. Okay. Ooh. Nice. Okay, a moment. Okay, so let's erase all these. Okay, so we go here in this next picture. We can see that Ugly is in the pond. Yeah.
Yes.
And he's having a lot of fun. He's swimming in the pond, and he's just swimming in the pond and playing with the water, and he looks very happy. You can see in the face. Can you see Ugly?
Yes.
So we can see in the face of Ugly, he's very happy. And what else is in the pond? In the pond, we can see there's also the mom and the 3 other babies that are in the pond with Ugly. But what happens? We can see the mom. She looks very worried. She looks like something is wrong. She looks a little bit sad. Can you see that?
Happy.
Look the mom. Look at the mom. The mom looks a little bit like worried. Like there's something wrong. Like she's a little bit sad because there's 2 other ducks outside the pond on the grass. Can you
Yes.
see the other ducks? And the other ducks are laughing. They are laughing very hard because Ugly, he's a little bit different than the other ducks. Like the 3 babies, they look all the same. They all look alike. They are very similar, but Ugly is a little bit different. And as the name says, Ugly is a little bit ugly. Okay. So the other ducks are making fun of him. The ducks are making fun of Ugly. Yeah.
Yes. Dogs is bunny.
These 2 dogs, these 2 ducks, this one and this one,
Yes.
they are making fun. They are laughing at Ugly. They are looking at Ugly, and they are pointing. They are pointing at Ugly, like ha 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 ha. They are laughing.
Yeah.
Okay, can you see that?
Yes.
So that's why the mom is very sad, because they are making fun of the baby, and that's not nice.
Yes.
Huh? Okay, So let's remember what happened in the previous picture. What happened? There was an egg. And what happened to the egg?
Came out.
The ugly came out of the egg. Yes, the mom was taking care of the egg, and the egg broke. The eggshell cracked, and the duck ugly came out from the egg. Yeah. Okay. So now in this picture, what happened? What can we see in the pond?
Five picture.
Okay, there's five animals. What animals?
Five animal.
What animal is in the pond? Is it a dog? Is it a cat? Or is it a duck?
Mom dog and three baby dog and ugly.
Yes, yes, well done. And what is Ugly doing?
Playing the pony.
Yes, the Ugly is playing in the water. And how is he feeling? Is he feeling sad or is he feeling happy?
Happy.
Yes, Ugly looks very happy. And what about the mom? How does she look? Does she look happy? Or does she look angry? Or does she look a little bit sad?
For pictures.
In the fourth picture here, how does the mom look?
Worried.
Worried. Yes, the mom looks worried.
Yes.
Do you know why?
Yes, because two dog. See the ugly.
Yes.
Ha ha ha.
Yes, yes, because these ducks are looking are pointing at Ugly, and they are laughing. Yeah.
Yeah.
What are the ducks doing? The ducks doing?
Oh, about ha ha ha.
Yeah, laughing. They are laughing.
Yes.
Okay, they are laughing. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. They are laughing at Ugly. Wait. They are laughing at Ugly because he's a little bit different. He's a little bit different from the other ducks, and the other ducks are very cute. Do you know cute?
Yes.
But Ugly is a little bit ugly, so that's why they are laughing. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so we go to the next picture, and in the next picture we can see there's a lot of animals. They are all the animals are animals from the farm. And what happens? We can see there's Ugly. Can you see Ugly in the middle here?
Yes.
And how does Ugly? How does he look? He looks sad. He looks very sad because all of the animals from the farm are laughing at him. They're all laughing because he's different. So we can see there's the three baby ducks, the three ducklings are laughing at him. In the pond we can see there's a fish.
Yes.
That's also laughing at him, and behind there's also a rabbit. And next to the rabbit, there's a little chicken. Yes, a little chick. There's also a pig. The pig is also laughing very, very hard on the floor.
Everyone is see the ugly and funny.
Yes, everyone is laughing at Ugly because he's different.
Yes.
Yes,
He
we can
is
see
why different.
he is a little bit he's a little bit uglier. He's uglier than the other animals.
Yeah.
We don't know yet why. We will see later in the story. We will see why he's different. But for now, we know that they are laughing at him because he's different. We can also see there's two chickens. We can see. Can you see the two chickens here?
Yeah.
One of the chickens. This chicken. Ooh, this chicken here is a female, and this chicken here is a man, and the chicken, the man chicken, the male chickens are called rooster.
Rooster.
Rooster, yes.
And woman. Woman.
What?
Woman.
The woman is a chicken.
Chicken.
Chicken, and the male chicken is called rooster. The roosters are the ones that in the morning,
Yes.
in the morning they wake up the rest of the chickens. They do kiriki. Do you know?
Kiriki.
Yes, in the morning in the farm, they make a very loud noise to wake up all the chickens.
Yes.
Okay. Yes. And what other animal can we see? Here we can see there's also a cow. Yeah. Yeah.
Rooster and chicken.
Yes.
And piggy.
A pig. Yeah. Yeah.
And dog and baby dog.
Baby. There's the three baby ducks.
Yes.
The three baby ducks that are called duckling.
And rabbit. And rabbit and fish.
Yes. Yes. And there's also a baby chicken. Here next to the rabbit, this one is a baby chicken. That's called a chick.
Chick.
Yes. Yes. So what happens in this picture? What are the animals doing? They are looking at Ugly.
Ugly duckling.
They are looking at the ugly duck, and they are laughing. They are laughing very, very hard. Yeah.
Yes.
Do you know everyone is laughing at Ugly? Do you know why?
See the ugly duckling.
Because he's the ugly duckling. Yes, he's different. He's different from the rest of the ducks. So they are laughing at him. Okay, so in the next picture, what can we see? We can see there's Ugly in the pond.
Yes.
And there are
3 dogs.
There's 3 ducks too in the pond. Yeah, there's three big ducks in the pond, and there's also Ugly. And how does Ugly look? What is he feeling?
Sad.
Yes, we can see Ugly is very sad.
Yes.
Because all the animals are making fun of him. All the animals are laughing at him.
Yes.
So he's talking to the other ducks, but the other ducks are telling him, oh no, it's like you are very ugly, So you should just leave. You should just go to somewhere else because you're very ugly and they don't like you.
Don't like ugly.
Yes, this dog is talking to Ugly, and he's telling him, you should leave. You should go somewhere else because they don't like you. The other animals don't like you because you are different from them. You are very different, so they don't wanna be your friends. Okay.
Mother dog.
It's not the mother, but it's another duck from the farm.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes. So let's go back to the previous picture with all the animals. What is going on in the picture?
What pictures?
Who can we see in the in this? Okay, wait. Where is this? In this picture, what's happening?
Everyone is look funny.
Everyone is looking at Ugly and they are laughing.
Ugly is different.
Yes, because Ugly is different.
Yes.
And how is Ugly feeling?
Sad and shy.
Okay, yes. Ugly is looking sad and shy because all the animals are looking at him and they are laughing. And what other animals can we see in the farm?
And cow and rooster.
Yes, rooster.
Chicken. And pig.
Chick. Yes.
Pig and 4 baby ducks.
Yes, the 3 baby ducks.
Rabbit and fish.
Yes, well done. Yes, we can see the cow, we can see a chicken, we can see the rooster, we can see the pig, we can see the little baby chicken, that's the chick. We can see the rabbit, we can see the fish, and we can see the 3 baby ducks. Do you know how the baby ducks are called?
Baby ducks.
The baby ducks are called duckling.
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 Yes.
That's the name. That's how we call baby ducks. Okay. And in the next picture, we can see Ugly. Can you see Ugly?
Ugly.
And how is he feeling here?
Sad.
Here, right? Here, he's feeling sad.
Yes.
And why is he feeling sad?
Because baby dog is see the ugly and they say ha ha ha.
Yes, they are laughing. Yeah. Do you know the word laughing? Laughing. Yes. Yes, they are. The laughing means when you're ha ha ha. Okay, ha ha ha. It's laughing. Okay. Yes. Yes, laughing. So the ducks are laughing at him. And what does this duck tell Ugly? What does this duck tell Ugly? Do you know?
No.
Okay, the duck tells him, you should go, you should leave, because the animals, the rest of the animals from the farm, they don't like you. They don't like you because you are different, so they don't want to be your friends. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, that's very sad, but that's what he tells them. So we can go to the next picture, and in the next picture, we see that the ugly leaves, and he goes to the farm. He goes to the house of the farm. Okay.
Yeah.
And he goes to the house, and inside in the picture we can see there's ugly in the middle here. Yeah.
Yeah.
Ugly is in a little basket, and he is looking at the woman. There's an old woman.
Grandma.
Yes, we can see there's a grandma. Yeah. And we can see she's very old, and she has like a little a stick because she cannot walk well. And we can see there's also a cat. And next to the woman, next to the grandma, there's a window. And in the window has curtains. Do you know what curtains are?
Rooster.
Okay, but these these are curtains.
Yeah.
And next to the curtains, there's a rooster, and the rooster is just standing on the window.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
And so Ugly just goes to the house, and he tells the grandma that he wants to stay in the house because in the farm all of the animals are making fun of him. Okay.
Yeah.
So the grandma tells her, okay, tells him, okay, you can just stay here and talk to the other animals. You can talk to the rooster, and you can talk to the cat. Okay.
Yeah. Cat
Okay.
and rooster.
Yes, cat and rooster. That's the animals that are in the farm. So we go to the next picture, and we can see the grandma is sleeping. Yeah, we can see in the window that it's night because we can see the moon and the stars in the sky.
Night.
It's night, yes. So the grandma goes to bed, and she's sleeping.
Yeah.
And what else can we see in the picture? We can see that there's the rooster. And how does the rooster look?
Angry.
Yes, the rooster looks very angry.
Yeah.
Because he doesn't like the ugly. He doesn't like ugly. So he is just angry, and he says, no, you should, you are here in my house and you're eating my food, but I don't like you. I don't want you to stay here. So the rooster is very mean.
What will cat is
What is the cat doing?
yes.
Yes, the cat is well, he's just licking his arm. He's just cleaning himself, and he doesn't care. He's just ignoring Ugly, and he doesn't care about him. He's just like, just do whatever you want. I'm just here having fun on my own, and I don't need to be your friend. Just do whatever you want. Just don't bother me. Okay, so the cat looks, he's just okay. He's just having fun on his own. And the rooster is very mean to Ugly, and he tells him to go. So we can see Ugly here, that he's wearing he has his little things on this little bag, and he carries his things and leaves the house. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes. So what did we see in this picture?
I'm rooster.
We can see a rooster.
And
where is the rooster?
Window.
Yes, the rooster is in the window.
Yes. And cat is grandma.
Is next to the grandma. The cat is next to the grandma. Yes. And we can also see Ugly, right?
And Ugly is bowl.
In the bowl, yeah. This bowl, it's a basket.
Basket.
Yes, this is yeah, that's called basket. Yeah. So Ugly is in the little basket. So Ugly goes to the house. He goes to the farmhouse, and he asks the grandma to stay there because all the rest of the animals don't like him. So the grandma tells him, okay, you can stay here and be friends with the rest of the animals. You can be friends with the cat, and you can be friends with the rooster. But what happens in the next picture?
Rooster is angry.
The rooster looks very angry. Yes. He is mean. Do you know the word mean?
Because rooster is don't like ugly.
Yes, rooster doesn't like ugly, so he looks very angry. Huh?
How he go away?
Yes, so the rooster tells Ugly to go away. He tells him to leave because he doesn't like him and he doesn't want to be friends with him. And what else can we see in the picture? We can see when is the picture, like what in the picture, what time is it? Is it day? Is it night?
Night.
Why? Do you know why?
The people sleep.
Okay, yes, the grandma is sleeping, yes. And what can we see in the window?
Moon.
Yes, we can see the moon.
And snow.
Okay, it looks like snow. It's the stars. It's the stars. Okay. But the picture is very small, but it's the stars. We can see the moon and we can see the stars. We can see that there's stars. Okay. Okay. So, okay, yes. And what is the cat doing? Yeah. Then. Okay, the cat is cleaning. He's cleaning himself? Yes, he's licking. He's licking himself with the tongue. That's cleaning himself, and he's just he doesn't care about Ugly or he doesn't care about the rooster. He's just having fun on his own. So Rooster tells Ugly to leave, and what does Ugly do? He packs everything in his bag and he leaves. Okay. Yeah. Can you see can you see the this little bag here? Yeah. Yes, that's all of Ugly's things. He packs everything and he leaves. How does Ugly look? What's he feeling? How is he feeling? Sad. He's very sad, yes. Because once again, they are telling him to leave. They don't want to be his friends. So they are telling him to leave. Yeah? Yeah. Okay. So so today we don't have much time. so we cannot finish. We're not gonna finish this story now.
Yeah.
We will finish the story on Monday. Okay. Do you remember on Monday we talked about another story with a fox?
Yeah.
Do you remember the story? Wait one moment. Yes. Do you remember this story?
Yeah.
Can you explain it to me? What happens in the first picture?
Once upon a time, fox. Once upon a time.
Yes.
Fox is.
There was a fox.
One fox is run.
The fox was running. Where was he running?
Grapes tree.
Okay, yes, the fox was running in the countryside. Yeah. And he sees a tree. What fruit is in the tree?
Yes. Grapes.
Yes. Which color?
So he hungry.
Okay, he's hungry. Okay. What are the color of the grapes?
Purple and green.
Okay. And how was the weather?
Sunny.
Yes, it was very sunny. Okay. So the fox was hungry. Yes. And what happens in the second picture?
Tree is very tall. And fox is very short.
Yes. Okay. So the fox was hungry. So he goes to the tree. And he tries to jump. He's jumping to the tree, right?
Yes.
But he's too short, so he cannot reach to the tree, and he cannot get the grapes.
Yeah.
So what happens in the last picture?
Fox couldn't eat the grapes.
Okay, yes, the fox couldn't eat the grapes. He couldn't get to the tree. So how is he feeling?
Sad.
The fox is feeling sad. He's very hungry, but he's feeling sad because he cannot eat the grapes. Yes, very good. Very well done. Yes. So now it's Friday. What are you gonna do this weekend? Do you have any special plan?
Not. Cat.
Sad?
No.
No. Are you happy that it's Friday?
Yes.
Yes. Are you tired?
No.
No, you're not tired?
Yes.
Okay. Are you gonna meet friends and play with them? Have fun with them? This weekend?
Ugly Duckling.
What? I will send you the story, and you can keep practicing about the ugly duckling. You can revise all the story that we did, and then on Monday we will finish the story. Yeah?
Yes.
Did you like it?
Yes.
Okay, good. Okay. So have a nice weekend, Yubin. Yes?
Yes.
See you on Monday.
Bye bye.
Bye.